Hello friends, welcome back to Agnicart. Today's video tutorial is going to be about how you can organize your products in the way that you would like them to appear on your store. I will show you, for example, here you can go to here and you can see that this is the order of products that are on the page. So if you would like this eye cream to be before cleansing milk, or if you'd like this to be the first one, or if you want to rearrange any of the products, you can go to your dashboard. You can go to catalog. You can see that there is an option called as products, which will be taking you to this page, and you can see that all of the products that are there on your store will be appeared over here. So now I would like to put glowing skin day cream as first, the first thing that's going to appear on my page. So I can click this, which will take me to the general editing area, and then I can see that the sort order here is 0. So I can here change it into 1. And if I save it and go to Bronze Agnicart and refresh, glowing skin day cream will be the first product that appears on my page. So this is how you organize the order of your products on your store. Thank you for watching.